Hello, I'm doing an Amazon review. The company that sent this to me, they did so free of charge in order for me to give a honest review. So, first off, I really like the sticker. So, after I took it out of the Amazon box, this is the box that it was in. So, it says, "You made our day extra wonderful just for you. Open me." And then it has a flower and then "Have a nice day." It's just the small touches that really stand out. So, what this is a mosaic tile kit, okay? Excuse me. So, it comes with a set of gloves, and these are pretty thick. These are not like cheap plastic. These are really nice latex. Okay, so you get your gloves. You're going to get 2 bottles of glue, and it tells you how to use it right there. All right, 2 things of glue. You're going to get this little spatula thing, and then this, let's see, this is a bowl. It's just a silicone bowl that collapses, so you can wash this, and then after it dries, you just collapse it and you can use it for something else. Alright, so you've got your bowl. You've got your little spatula thing. It has a little sponge on here. This is like harder foam, and then the sponge. Alright, you get 2 trays. You can use these as coasters, trinket trays, whatever you want to do with it. They are wood, and they're pretty thick. Okay. Then you're going to get your glass tiles. Now, they said that all the edges are going to be rounded off so that you don't get cut, because these are glass. But you can see the different shapes, the different colors, different size pieces. These are really cute. Okay, and then you're going to get this bag of black what is this called? Is this like, I don't know if this is a grout or what but this is what you're going to use in the bowl to seal these things, okay? And then you're going to get your instructions. So first thing, you put your gloves on, and you're going to take the glue and you're going to pour the glue inside your tray. Then you're going to take your tiles and you're going to place them in your tray. And I think you're supposed to leave a little bit of space in between the tiles. It is grout. And then once you get your design, you let it sit for about 20 minutes so that the glue will dry. Then you're going to mix your grout with water, and it tells you how to do it right there, your measurements. And then you're going to take this, you're going to scoop it, put it on here, and then once you get your grout on here, then you're going to wipe it off, and then you're going to clean it when it's dry. So that's pretty straightforward. And then this is just telling you thank you. So I did go check out their store on Amazon, and they do have quite a bit of projects. They have got wooden projects that you paint. They've got other mosaic projects that you can use. They've got some paper type of projects. You just have to go check them out. And I'm going to leave the link to this in my description box, and then you can go check them out. But these are glass, and they're not sharp. So, I mean, you can see the colors are pretty bright, very vivid. And it says that the tiles, they won't fade. And if they, you know, once you seal them with the grout, they probably wouldn't fade. But yeah, that's what they look like in the bag. The bag's a little dusty, but you can see they're very pretty. So after you put your glue in here, you would just take and just put these in here. You could make you a little pattern. Do whatever you want. It's yours. Do whatever you want. Whichever colors you want. They don't even have to be a pattern. You can just lay them in there just randomly. You could just pour them in there and let them fall and just flatten them out and, you know, do whatever you want. So, alright, I'm going to leave the link to this product in my description box for y'all to check out. This looks like it would be a very fun craft to do on a lazy, rainy day, or, you know, whenever. So, check my description box out. Go check this company out. And I thank you for watching.